yeah?
I know, I'll be back. We made it. Take care of it. Take care of it. You live in the warehouse.
Yeah, take care of it.
Work your magic.
Hi, John.
2 minutes to spare.
I like the boat time.
Thanks, brother.
Happy new moment.
I made it
Happy
for
new
him last
moment.
night.
Round Spain.
Oh, yeah?
Here we go.
Oh, yeah?
Say yes.
Happy New Year. Mwah.
See the palm trees of Hawaii. Ready?
Cheers.
Oh,
Yeah, cheers. Anybody want to cheers?
Hey, boats right.
Cheers. I'll be nice.
Hey.
Cheers.
Happy day,
All right.
All right, John, you got to get out here.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's okay?
It's perfect, right? Could be a little bit late now, but... You call me a fucking Brit again, you American. Sorry, I felt like I was at home for a second. Shut up, American.
Oh, now that's where to go, yeah?
Oh, right.
Go into the water.
Oh, Sophia.
Super smart. Yeah, Sophia!
What?
Woo! All right.
Happy New Year's.
John.
Here, buddy.
Cheers. Happy New Year. Cheers. Bless you, mate. Thank you. Cheers, John. Happy New Year. Happy moment. Everyone.
Happy new moment.
Happy new moment. Happy new moment. People who turn us down there.
Yeah.
In the distance.
I can't see. I can't see.
Right in the distance.
Oh, I see. Like right there. Like right there.
No, off to the left.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is that people?
I bet they finish by the time you get there.
Oh, you can see the one at Hickam Air Force Base.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, the really distant one over to the left.
Benji. Like a little doggy.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
We were literally just like hanging out, like mellow, and then the fireworks. We had no idea we were going to see the fireworks because we don't see the fireworks like on like the Fridays. So like it was like I think I was cleaning the dishes and Sophia's like,
Happy New Year.
Hey, happy New Year.
Yeah. Actually,
Go the other way.
Chia. Pomegranate. I don't know. Oh, cinnamon. Here, put his glass in there.
I know that.
Yeah. Try that.
Are you?
That's
Good girl.
yeah.
That's what we should have done. Done sat in the water.
Yeah, but I didn't bring my suit, that's why.
She ain't got any nose in it.
Wow, that's a good one.
I like it. I like that. Oh wow, that's really amazing. I know, it's a person down there.
It's a mermaid.
Oh yeah? I want to be a mermaid. I might just go down there naked. No. Yeah, I'll be good. Now. Since we have more
You know, it's awesome.
Fireworks, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I live in Tahiti.
Oh, do you?
Yes, I do.
Oh my God, how far out?
Waikiki. I mean, the valley, I can see it because the mountains are up there, and I can see like, but the valley is a little bit up there.
Yeah, I
I know
live
exactly
in
where it is.
3,000 area.
Okay.
3018 is where I used to live. It was
Yeah, it's a little bit up there, but I know exactly where
I
it is.
lived right on the street.
Yeah. Oh, wow, that must have been so nice.
It was
Yeah.
awesome. But during the holidays, it was terrible. It was like being in a world war or something. They would make these M80s and
Yeah, like where I live, they were throwing bombs and
yes,
stuff.
that could not go
I'll
in the
like sit there,
house.
I'll be sitting right there, and I'll like throw it, jump out on my fly.
It's bad.
It's really bad, and they're really not supposed to have them. Like, and it's just like I got,
Every year somebody gets something.
yeah, like blown off, and it's just like.
So my wolf shadow used to come, we would all, and the kitties, we would all like hunker down in my bedroom on my bed. And we wouldn't go anywhere.
You know, like the cat that he's not my cat, like he's like the family cat. I feel like he's so scared, and I feel so bad for the cat that touches him. The boy,
Stuff that I get mine, it's a recipe brownie. It's natural spray.
This is like amazing. I'm so glad I came here. That was fun.
Well, no, if my friends are smoking, I have other smokers smoking cigarettes. Well, all my friends smoke, so I have to do it. Stop and be smoking and fucking
Make sure that you find somebody that has good attitudes.
attitudes, yeah, there's organic attitudes.
See, I was so Sarah.
Wow.
Like
Those are the last ones. Or England, for that matter. Smart ass? Oh, that's
What about